Welcome back to Learn German with Gigi. Today we will continue to talk about numbers. Have you been practicing the numbers from 0 to 12? Very good, because you're going to need them for this lesson. Let's get started. Our first number is 13. Note that for the numbers from 13 to 19, we always start with the last number first. This is the same as in English. For example, 13, 14, or 15. You can use the same structure for the German numbers. 13, 3 and 10 equals 13. Let's get on with the next number, 14. In German, we need a 10 and a 4. 14. 10 and 4 equals 14. How would you say 15 in German? Very good. You need the 10 and you need the 5. 10 and 5 equals 15. 16 is 16. 10 and 6 equals 16. In this case, we pronounce it 16 and don't pronounce it 16, but it is still written the same, 16. Our next number is 17. 10 and 7 equals 17. In this case, we don't say 17. We shorten the 7 and make it a sieb, 17. The next two numbers have no exception. 10 and 8 equals 18. 10 and 9 equals 19. 20 is 20. 20. Excellent! That is all for today. Don't forget to practice. Practicing will soon make you a master in German. Do you still remember the other numbers from 0 to 12? Repeat them also. Now you can count from 0 to 20. Don't forget to leave a comment. And if you have any questions, just ask away. Thank you for watching. Tschüss!